Welcome back to Tap Tech. This is the place where we bring you the latest news, reviews, and updates about the most exciting gadgets around. If you love staying ahead in the world of tech, you're in the right place. DJI is preparing to launch something that could change the drone game once again. The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases from the company, combining cutting-edge technology with a design that makes flying easier than ever. If you thought drones couldn't get more powerful yet still beginner-friendly, DJI is about to prove you wrong. Let's go through what we know so far about its release, upgrades, and all the new features that might make this drone one of the best choices of 2025. First, let's talk about timing. DJI tends to release new consumer-focused drones every year or two, and the original DJI Neo set a new standard when it launched. Now, all signs point to the DJI Neo 2 arriving in late 2025, possibly in September or October. That puts it right before the holiday season, which is the perfect time for DJI to attract both hobbyists and professionals looking to upgrade. If DJI follows its usual pattern, expect an official announcement with pre-orders opening soon after, and global shipping shortly before the year ends. The biggest change with the Neo 2 is expected to be its camera system. DJI has been pushing camera innovation across all its drones, and the Neo 2 is rumored to feature a larger sensor with improved low-light performance. Early leaks suggest it could support 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second. That means sharper, smoother footage whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes or fast-moving action. Pair that with improved HDR and better color accuracy, and the Neo 2 could rival even some professional-level drones. Stability and flight performance are also getting an upgrade. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to use a redesigned gimbal system that delivers smoother shots even in windy conditions. Combined with DJI's next-gen obstacle avoidance sensors, the drone should be able to fly safer and smarter than ever. Reports suggest a new 360-degree obstacle detection system powered by AI, allowing the drone to automatically reroute itself if it senses danger in any direction. That makes it perfect for beginners while still being reliable enough for pros. Battery life has always been a key concern, and DJI is said to be pushing it further with the Neo 2. Expect flight times of around 45 minutes on a single charge, which is a solid jump from the first Neo. Faster charging could also be included, with a new charging hub allowing you to juice up multiple batteries at once. For people who spend hours capturing aerial shots, this upgrade is going to make a big difference. Another area to watch is connectivity. The Neo 2 will likely include DJI's newest transmission system, possibly O4 or even a next-gen O5. This could mean a transmission range of up to 20 kilometers with near-zero latency, giving you clearer video feeds and more reliable control even in crowded environments. That's a big step forward for creators who need stable connections in all kinds of shooting conditions. Software is also becoming smarter. DJI is expected to update its flight app with new AI-powered features for the Neo 2. That could include automatic scene recognition, subject tracking that feels almost cinematic, and even AI editing tools that create short clips instantly from your footage. DJI knows that not every user wants to spend hours editing, so giving people ready to share content directly from the app could be a huge win. The design of the Neo 2 is rumored to stay compact and foldable, making it easy to carry around. But leaks suggest it may be slightly lighter and more aerodynamic, improving both flight stability and portability. DJI has been focused on making drones easier to travel with, and the Neo 2 should continue that trend. There's even talk of new color options, which could give the Neo 2 a more modern, customizable look. Price is always a big question. The original Neo was priced competitively to attract a wide range of users, and the Neo 2 is expected to follow the same path. With all the upgrades, it may start at around $999, with higher-priced bundles including extra batteries, ND filters, and the Fly More kit. While it's not the cheapest drone out there, the Neo 2 promises to deliver premium features at a price point that still feels accessible. DJI also continues to push sustainability, so expect the Neo 2 to use more eco-friendly materials and packaging. Energy efficiency and quieter propeller design are also likely, making the drone not only more powerful but also more considerate of the environment in noise-sensitive areas. Looking at the bigger picture, the DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be a true all-rounder. It brings professional-grade camera quality, smarter AI features, longer flight times, and better safety systems, all wrapped in a design that's easy for beginners to pick up. DJI has a way of making drones that appeal to casual flyers while still delivering the tools professionals demand, and the Neo 2 looks like another step in that direction. If these upgrades are accurate, the DJI Neo 2 could become the go-to drone for 2025, balancing performance and usability like no other. Whether you're capturing breathtaking travel footage, shooting content for social media, or using it for creative projects, the Neo 2 seems ready to deliver. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. We'll keep you updated with all the latest news on the DJI Neo 2, and of course, we'll be here to break down everything when it officially launches. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the latest in tech.